All right, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to do a 20 and 21. Okay, they are fairly similar. Okay. Now, what they're similar is that we're just distributing. Okay. For number 20, you can use the well-known procedure called FOIL, right? The first, outside, inside, and last. Now, if you're not familiar with it, I can also show you another way to get around is that treat one of these two parentheses as a single entity. And then you can think about distributing. Now, you don't have to memorize this. There's some memorization involved because think about what you would do if you have something like this. What would you do with the two? You distribute into the parentheses, right? Same thing. It's just that now this little 2 looks a little bit more complicated, but it's so that's why I said go ahead, treat this as a single entity, and then you can distribute it. And either way, I mean, if you know how to do FOIL, you would just go ahead and do FOIL, and you don't need me. Probably you are not watching this video anyways. But if you don't understand FOIL, then you can just go ahead and realize that this is the way to handle this kind of multiplication, which will be the same kind as we go over to 21. And I hope you can see the parallel here. And make sure that you take care of the signs. And when we do this, we are now able to combine like terms. And we have the xy as the like term. 10xy minus 3xy, it's 7xy. And then everything else are kind of unique. So we cannot combine them together. So that's how we have our final answer, 15x squared plus 7xy minus 2y squared. And as for number 21, again, you just treat one of the parentheses as a single entity. So I would like to go ahead and treat this as a single entity, and I'm thinking about distributing this into the parentheses in front of it. Now, you can, of course, think about this as a single entity and then distribute into an individual one. You can do that too. Nothing is wrong with that, but I like this one better because it is simpler. Okay. Instead of thinking about distributing 3 times, I can just think about distributing 2 times. And then you have x cubed minus 6x squared plus 3x plus 2x squared minus 12x plus 6. X cubed minus 4x squared. And then you have minus 9x and then plus 6. And that should do it. Okay? And that would do it. Yes? There's a plus 3x and there's a minus 12x, which is negative 9. Okay.